Good day, also welcome back to our channel. So this video is for people who are intending to start a long distance transportation business in 2026. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the specification and the price of the Toyota Hiace Hummer 1 in Nigeria in 2026, both the Tokunbo and the brand new. Most people don't know that this car still comes in brand new, but I will tell you that this car comes in brand new with a 2026 model on belt available right now in Nigeria. So let's get started. The Toyota Hiace, like we all know, is one of the most chosen buses in Nigeria due to its top-notch fuel economy, reliability, performance, and overall neat, very beautiful design on the outside. On the inside, it's very comfortable, can sit up to 18 passengers depending on the configuration. Some can go 13. In fact, it depends, and the interior seating configuration is top-notch, and also its suspension system. Let's talk about the engine options available. A variety of engine options are available on the model, including petrol and the diesel. But in Nigeria, diesel is always cheaper because the demand is low. Coming over to the petrol engine option, two petrol engine options are available, including a 2.0 liter 1TR FE inline 4 engine and a 2.7 liter 2TR FE inline 4 engine. Coming over to the diesel engine options, a variety of diesel engine options are available on the model, including a 2.5 liter 2KD engine, 2.8 liter 1GD, 3.0 liter 5L, 3.0 liter 1KZ, and the 3.0 liter 1KD. Then the transmission, three transmission systems are available, including a 5-speed manual, 4-speed automatic, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Then talking about the exterior design, the exterior of this Toyota Hummer 1 is sleek, is compact, like very nice. It can conquer any terrain, so it doesn't have much flashy stuff on the outside. So it's ideal for long distance travel. Its aerodynamics is top notch. On the inside, you get a comfortable seating for up to 18 passengers. So it all depends on the configuration though, but on the inside, you get maximum comfort. The suspension system on these cars are top notch. Most people don't know that the Toyota Hiace Hummer 1 is available in brand new. Yeah, this particular one you are seeing here is a brand new model and is available for sale in Nigeria. So we'll be revealing the pricing. So let's start with the pricing of the Tokunbo. Pricing of the Tokunbo Toyota Hiace Hummer 1 in Nigeria in 2026 from the 2010 to 2015 model starts at 17 million naira and goes up to 23-24 million naira depending on the grade. The diesel engine options are always cheaper than the petrol engine option because the diesel engine option is not in high demand. So this particular one you are seeing right now is a brand new 2026 Toyota Hiace Hummer 1. So this particular one is selling for 50 million naira and goes up to 55 million naira depending on the grade they are picking. So you can see that this one is cool. So for people that will be asking between the Tokunbo and brand new, which is better? For the brand new is always the first option. But if you're on a low budget, you can also opt for a Tokunbo. For Tokunbo, I have grade A Tokumbos that are available, which you can buy at affordable rates. So if you intend buying either the brand new or the Tokunbo, you can always do well to reach out to Alpha Luxury Wheels Limited on 081 07 99 23 56 for clean cars at an affordable rate. Also, if you want to know more about cheap buses in 2026, we made a video on that. You can check that out. And if you want to know about the pricing of the minibus, we also attached the link in the description. We made a detailed video on that for the pricing of both the belt and the chain. So please, before you go, do like and subscribe because we got so much more videos coming your way. Thank you.